What up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install APKs on your OnePlus 5T. So what I found out is that all you have to do is download the APK and then go to your file explorer and go to download and then click on the APK, and all you have to click install. It doesn't ask, it's weird, it doesn't ask like other phones ask you to allow unknown sources to download. This phone it's just letting you install APKs, which I think is kind of weird, but it works. So all you have to do is open it, and as you can see, it works. I'm not sure if any of you are having the same thing. If not, leave a comment down below on what you guys are doing to yours, because mine just lets me download and install. I'm not sure with any other ones, so leave comments down below. And I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.